In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Word document like Google Docs. If you've got a Word file that you want to share quickly and collaborate on in real time, the easiest path is to bring it into Google Drive and use Google Docs' sharing tools. I'll walk you through exactly what to click and why each choice matters so you can share confidently. First, upload your Word file to Google Drive. Open Google Drive in your browser and sign in. In the top left, click New, then choose File Upload. Select your Word document and click Open. You'll see an upload indicator in the bottom right. Once it finishes, your file is stored safely online, making it easy to access from any device with an internet connection. Next, open the file in Google Docs. Find the uploaded file in Drive, right-click it, and choose Open With, then Google Docs. This converts your Word file into a Google Docs version. Your original Word file will still be in Drive, but now you also have a Google Docs copy that's optimized for sharing, commenting, and live editing. Take a quick glance to make sure the formatting looks right after conversion. Now click the Share button in the top right corner of Google Docs. This opens all your sharing options in one place, so you can decide exactly who can see or edit your document. Choose how you want to share. If you want to share with specific people, type their email addresses in the Add People in Groups field. You can include a short message so recipients know what the document is about or what you'd like them to do. They'll receive an email with a direct link. If you prefer to share with a wider audience, use a link. Under General Access, open the drop-down and select anyone with the link. This is handy for posting in a chat, project hub, or course platform without adding individual emails. Set the right permissions so people have the access they need. Viewer lets others read only. Commenter allows them to leave feedback without changing your content. Editor grants full editing access, which is powerful for true collaboration. Just use it when you trust the recipients to make changes. Finally, send or copy the link. Click Send to email invitations directly, or click Copy Link and paste it wherever you want to share. And that's it. Your once Word document is now accessible online, shareable like Google Docs, and ready for real-time collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.